Hey everybody, Megagoldduck here. How's my ducklings doing today? How's you guys doing? I'm doing good. So today's episode, I'm gonna talk about top 5 possible Pokemon games for Nintendo Switch. Now, before I do that, I want to let everybody know that um, that I'm thinking when I make my videos, I think I'm gonna upload them around 7, like around nighttime. Just the long ones, like the 14-minute or 50-minute or a little more like 10-minute, 12-minute, the longer videos. I'm thinking I'm going to upload them a bit early. The short ones, I think I'm gonna upload them a bit early, not too early, but a bit early. So that's my plan. That's my plan on late or earlier I make my videos. Now, also I'm planning next Monday to have a Q&A video. So I hope to have a Q&A video. Now, if I don't get any questions, then I'll be a little sad, but you can give me, if you want to give me some Q&A questions, go on my Twitter, or go to send it on my videos, on my channel, and I'll write down the questions and I will read your questions on vlog. Now, if I don't get it, I'll be sad. I have to do another time. But that's okay, guys. Just want to know the heads up for possible next Monday vlog. Will most likely be next Monday for sure. Anyways, guys, I think it's time. I think I stole enough. Here's my top 5 possible Pokemon. So here's my top 5 possible Pokemon games for Nintendo Switch we could get. So, you ready? So, here's my top 5. Number 5. Number 5 will be... So number 5 is a Pokemon Stadium game. That's right. Remember Pokemon Stadium, guys? Pokemon Stadium. It stopped in 64 when it was Pokemon Stadium 2. So when it was Pokemon Stadium 2, it had all the Johto Pokemons and had the regular Pokemons. So I've been thinking, what if they have one for Switch? Instead of like having all the Pokemon from Gen 7 all the way, like all the generations up to Gen 7 of Pokemon for Pokemon Stadium. That'd be cool, guys. That'd be cool. Alright? So the next Pokemon game, number 4. Number 4 is a Pokemon Coliseum 2. Now, guys, this is so cool. I'm sticking around, I don't know why. But that'd be so cool, man. It'd be so cool to have a Pokemon Coliseum 2. I'd like to see maybe a Darkness, Gale Darkness 2. But I think Coliseum needs more love, so that's why I put that instead. It could be it'd be cool to have a game like that in the Nintendo Switch. So it'd be cool. I would like to see it. Maybe be a different characters that they had in Gale Darkness and Switch and Coliseum. They could have maybe someone new, something look cool. So the Pokemon, that'd be more than like 80 or something Pokemon they had in the other game. So maybe more than less. It'd be cool. Maybe different villains. Maybe a different way to catch Pokemon. That'd be cool. I'd like to see a Coliseum too. Number 3. Number 3 is a mystery dungeon game. This is actually a pretty possibility, mystery dungeon game. I wouldn't mind a mystery dungeon game. Well, we haven't had a mystery dungeon game since Super Mystery Dungeon. So I'd like to see that as a game. That'd be cool. Maybe we could see all the generation Pokemon in it. Probably Gen 7 be in it. This is actually a pretty possibility, pretty possibility. Number 2. Number 2, well, this is actually a long stretch, but it's a possibility. So, it's a possibility. So, it's gonna be, a duration Pokemon game. Now, it's a well stretch, and I know it's kind of early, but remember last year they kind of skipped Pokemon Z, so it's possible they could skip and go right to the next generation. It's still a possibility, but that's why it's number 2, because it's still a possibility. Now number 1. Number 1 is, of course, Pokemon Stars. Number 1 for Pokemon Stars is number 1. Now, it is Pokemon Stars number 1, but it might be a co-number 1, so it might be 2 number 1s. I know it's kind of overboard here. I know it would be top 5, not top 6. But this is actually a co-number 1. I couldn't think a proper number 1 for this. So first is Pokemon Stars. It's very possible we could get Pokemon Stars. Well, they're not really in talks right now. Now, they're not even in talks with Pokemon Stars yet. They're not even working on it yet, because it's kind of early still. Maybe if they're making it, say, next year, we could get it maybe around December or November, October, some hints. Or maybe if it's good in 2019, we'll see the same time in 2018. So who knows, right? And the number 1 with Pokemon Stars is a Diamond and Pearl remake. So I couldn't find one number 1, but hey, so Pokemon Diamond and Pearl remake, that is actually really, really a possibility, and more likely than Stars and the other games I named. Does it mean it's gonna happen? I don't know. It's possible it could happen, might not happen, but you never know. It could happen. It'd be cool to see, if they do that, the gyms will be back. We get to go on gyms, and maybe the gyms have new Pokemon, maybe some new areas, maybe Gen 7 Pokemon be in it. It would be awesome. I cannot wait. So that is the number 1 with Pokemon Stars for number 1. So I couldn't have one number 1. I gotta have 2 number 1s, number 1s together. So that is pretty much for my top 5, maybe top 5.5, you could say, but I'm gonna say top 5. So tell me what you guys think. Comment below. what Pokemon game you like to see on Nintendo Switch. And if I miss any Pokemon games that you wanted me to say I didn't say it, comment below which one I missed, and I'll say it in another video. So comment below, guys. Thanks very much for watching, guys. Getting a little bit long. It's in the 10-minute mark. I'll be uploading this video right away. And hope you guys will watch it. Now, if you guys like this video, don't forget to crack this button. Didn't like it, thumbs down. Before I go, I want to let everybody know that I'm thinking of doing my plushie series very, very soon. So check that one out. And you can see the plushies up here. These are the plushies I'll be using for my video. So thanks very much for watching again. If you liked this video, don't forget to crack this button. If you didn't like it, thumbs down. And comment below what Pokemon game you like to see on Nintendo Switch. And if I miss any games that you like and I miss, comment below which one, and I will say it in another video sometime. So thanks so much for watching. Again, don't forget to click this button. Didn't like it, thumbs down. Bye, guys. See ya.